These videos have come on ibncj.com from the capital and beyond. And for most citizens, it's the basics that remain in focus. In Alwar, a citizen is demanding rail connectivity. In the capital, a disabled citizen is demanding accessibility. And in many other parts of the country, it's all about safety.
अलवर से मैं सीजी रिपोर्टर समर गुप्ता भारत के प्रधानमंत्री से आग्रह करना चाहता हूं कि अलवर से दिल्ली के बीच में अब तक 20 सालों से कोई भी साधारण ट्रेन नहीं चल रही। ऐसे में आर्थिक तंगी के चलते बहुत सारी रोजगार के लाभ अलवर की जनता नहीं पाती है। दूसरी तरफ रेवाड़ी से दिल्ली तक की 18 साधारण ट्रेनें चलती हैं। ऐसे में भारत के प्रधानमंत्री से एक बार मेरा आग्रह है कि उन ट्रेनों को न सिर्फ अलवर तक पहुँचाया जाए बल्कि इन ट्रेनों के माध्यम से अलवर में उन तमाम लोगों को रोजगार मिलने की एक संभावना भी तलाशी जाए। अलवर से सीजी रिपोर्टर मैं समर गुप्ता।
I'm a person with disability. Look, I'm waiting for a bus to go to some place, and you see this bus stop is so inaccessible for me that I cannot climb this footpath and wait for the bus. And even if I climb down, again I have to climb up and go there to take a bus. The condition of persons with disabilities like me in Delhi is such that we cannot have any kind of accessibility in terms of taking a transport or in terms of moving here and there. I hope with the new government coming in under the stewardship of Sri Narendra Modi ji would definitely look into the grave problems faced by persons with disabilities and persons like me, and would ensure that persons with disabilities in Delhi get a fully accessible footpath and fully accessible bus stop so that we can move freely in Delhi.
I am Naresh Malhotra. 1.5 years back, as a CJ of East Delhi, I discussed a very serious issue: inadequate street lighting. As you can see, I am standing on the same road. The situation hasn't changed. New government has brought new hopes. अच्छे दिन आने वाले हैं. Good days are about to come. On behalf of my area's people, this is my request to respected Modi ji to correct the problem of inadequate street light and make my area safe.
Now, the next set of videos that have come on ibncj.com are moving away from daily issues and asking the new government for better employment opportunities and working conditions.
I'm Asim, a citizen journalist from Darjeeling. My message to the 15th Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, is that I would like him to look into the starvation-related death cases amongst the Darjeeling Tea Garden workers, where the condition is very pathetic. And I want to highlight one special cause which is related to Red Bank Tea Garden workers, where 32 deaths have been reported in the last 5 to 6 months, and 1,000 deaths have been reported due to starvation in the last 10 years, which is really a huge figure. But still the government has been turning a blind eye to it. They do not have any food to eat, no water to drink, people are malnourished. So I think with BJP coming into power, they would look into these problems.
Citizen journalist Pratiksha from Bangalore, and my wish for the BJP government is the freedom of being treated as a woman and not as a commodity.
I want avenues to express myself. I want more jobs. I want a healthier economy, better infrastructure.
I hope he gives wings to small-scale industries in India, and especially from the rural sector, as they empower people which are in more need of economic revolution.